In this video, we will talk about how to fix we couldn't find a fingerprint scanner compatible with Windows Hello Fingerprint. Method 1. Services. Click in Search. Type Services. Select Run as Administrator. In here, search for Windows Biometric Service. Right-click and select Properties. Change the startup type to Automatic and start the services. Now, click on Log On tab. Select Allow Service to interact with desktop. Click on Apply and OK. Then restart your PC. Method 2. Group Policy. Click in Search. Type GPEdit. Select Open. Expand Administrative Templates. Then Windows Components. Select Biometrics. Here, you have to enable all of these settings. Simply double-click, select Enabled. Then click on Apply and OK. Do the same with other two settings. Click on Start and restart your PC. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.